Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the EA Sports F1 error code PS65539. The error reads, "Cannot join sessions." As per our research, the error comes when players try to join the online sessions. According to our research, the error mainly comes when for some reason your device is unable to establish a connection with the servers. Before trying anything, we first suggest you restart your gaming device and then check if you need to update the game. If you see any pending updates for the game, then install the pending update and check for the error. In case you are not trying to play with other players or other players are on the same platform, then consider disabling the crossplay option. Then check if the error still comes. If you still receive the error, then check if your NAT is set to open. If not, then switch the NAT to open and check for the error again. In case your NAT is set to open, but the error is still coming and you are playing on Xbox, then go to the network settings, then select Advanced Settings. Then select QoS tagging settings and then untag DSCP tagging and WMM tagging. Once done, restart your Xbox console. Once your console restarts, check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then we suggest you connect over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network. Give this a try and see if the issue also continues over the other network. In case the error doesn't continue over the other network, then this means your network is interrupting with servers. In that case, we suggest you check if your main network has a firewall on or contact your ISP. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.